So, somebody is cleaning chitlins today. Chitterlings. Go, Elsie. Oh, oh. He's getting ready to clean them. First of all, he put vinegar in there. So, yep. He's pulling them apart. Ooh. Asked him what you call it. He said doo-doo. Once he pulls it apart, he drops it in the clean water sink. Ooh. And this is where he puts the nasty stink, what he calls doo-doo. Looks like he's separating the intestines. Well, the lining of the intestines. Poor pig. One thing you should know, this is a 10-pound bucket of chitlins, but you will not get 10 pounds. You'll probably get about 2 pounds at the most, right, Elsie?
Yep.
After he cleans all the nastiness out, you might get 2 pounds, but that's it. You clean them with vinegar and you cook them with vinegar. Yep, because of all that pork.
Yeah, that'll help kill the smell.
Yeah, he said it helps kill the smell. It's not doing a good job, but Ooh. Just a little more to go. This is what the sink looks like once he's gotten the dirty chitlins out of it. Yuck. So he fills the sink with water and then he rinses the chitlins and puts them in the clean sink of water and he swishes them around like they're in a washing machine. He swishes and swishes and cleans them.
Let the water sit on it for a minute, then rinse them again.
You rinsed them how many times? About 10 times?
Yeah.
He's still watching them. The water is turning clearer than what it first was. Now that they're clean and the water's clear, he's going to put them in a bowl. Once they cook, you'll see how they shrink all the way down. And there you have them. Now that you've seen Elsie clean chitterlings, let me know if you want me to make a video cooking them along with some collard greens and some potato salad. Let me know. Y'all have a great night.